In the gentle dawn, under the blue sky, promises are made, pledges of love fly. But time is relentless and destiny unclear. In a dance of meetings and partings we steer. One day of sun, one day of rain, one day of laughter, one day of pain. Between highs and lows, between dreams and reality, we move forward on this journey of memory. Each encounter is a precious